Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's tutorial, I'll show you how to apply AI effects in InShot 2025 to instantly elevate your video content. Open the InShot app on your phone and load your video into a new project. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Effect. Inside, you'll find a category labeled AI Effects. This includes powerful options like Magic Butterfly, Magic Glow, Clone, Neon Lines, and more. Tap the AI effect you want to preview. You'll see a real-time visual example on your video. No guesswork needed. Once you find one you love, tap on it to add it to your toemelon where you'd like it to appear. Then fine-tune its duration by adjusting the edges on the layer bar. Intensity experiment until it looks just right. Tap the check mark to apply the effect. Preview your video to see the AI magic in action. If you're an InShot Pro user, you'll also gain access to exclusive premium AI effects and tools. You're satisfied? Tap Export top right to render your final video with the AI effect included. And that's it. That's how to use AI effects in InShot 2025 fast, creative, and totally beginner friendly. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to check back again.